Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make your own Dogman t-shirt with your own characters. First you have to make a model. Like this looks my model. And the model was inspired from this book at this page and at this page. Here how to draw Petey, and here how to draw Dogman. For drawing on the t-shirt, you will also need some textile marker pens. The t-shirt I would recommend to be white. Now we have to insert the t-shirt in here. And now that we put the t-shirt inside, we are going to take our textile markers. First we will use the color black. Now that we finish making the edges of the characters and that we finished writing the letters, it's time to color the characters. The colors that we are going to need is yellow and blue and brown. Now I'm going to color the shoes of Dogman with brown. that we finish making the shoes of Dogman, we are going to use blue to color his hat, his arms, his legs and his body. With yellow, now we are going to color Dogman's face and Petey's body. Now that I finished drawing, I will take the t-shirt out and I will show to all of you, how it looks. And ta-da! Don't forget, guys, to let it dry for 2 hours. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time for more fun and all kind of things together with drawing and whatever you like. Bye!